Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create templates in the CapCut mobile. So in here, you can just open your CapCut apps and go to the CapCut space by clicking on the space button. And here is my CapCut space. And to start creating a template, click on the brand templates at the top right here. Then click on the create template button. Then just select the project that you want to set as a template. So for example, I'm going to select this one and click on next. Okay, so here you'll be directed to the overlay settings. So here you can move and delete the overlays you select in your templates. And in here, you can also just delete materials or add a smart effect to them. So here, I'm going to just select all, then click on next. Okay, so you can set the tags here. You can also set the overlays, and if you want, you can also add a smart effect in here. But if you're just going to leave it as it is, you can just click on pause. So after you click on pause, you need to enter the title and also the description. Here you can also select the cover, and this is the advanced settings. You can use the flexible clip number. You can also allow the users if you want, if they can change the sound or not. And here, and when you're done, just click on pause. And after that, your templates will be posted on CapCut and other users can use it freely. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.